What you are looking at is my old reliable Corsair T220 housing an 11 Gen i9, 128 gigs of RAM and an RTX 3060. Today I'm tearing it all down, but I'm not upgrading, I'm migrating. I'm moving these old parts into the massive Fractal Meshify XL. Why? Because I'm building a good tier workstation, but I am held hostage by the PC hardware market. Welcome to the Nvidia trap, the DDR5 nightmare and the RTX 5080 paradox. Let me show you what it looks like to be stuck in the upgrade purgatory. Tearing the system apart actually hurt a bit because this wasn't the plan. The plan was to fill the new case with an MSI Z890 Godlike, the new Intel Core Ultra 9 285K and an RTX 5080, but right now the GPUs are a myth. I speed this up. Let's get these 11th gen parts out of here. And here is the new home. The Fractal Meshify XL is an absolute behemoth. Look inside. I already installed the Seasonic 1600 watt power supply. 1600 watt. Sitting here, completely useless, waiting for an RTX 5080 Founder Edition or an MSI Expert OC that doesn't even exist. Time to drop the old motherboard in. Cables are routed and ready. I specifically set up the power delivery so that the second the 5080 drops, I can just plug it in. The system is fully reassembled. It's a Frankenstein workstation, a chassis built for tomorrow, running on the hardware of yesterday. It runs perfectly, and it has enough airflow to freeze a small room. But the beast is missing. To anyone out there waiting on Arrow Lakes, fighting for a decent RAM, or holding out for the 5000 series, I feel your pain. We are all stuck in this waiting room. Let me know in the comments if you are trapped in the same upgrade limbo. Drop a like, subscribe for when the Z890 and the 58 finally arrive, and I will see you in the next one.